Sawubona. I am Muzikaisa Mashele Mbungela, a cultural enthusiast and documentary filmmaker.
Ngithe shwi kancane nami ngihamba neIzizwe Rainbow Tours no Maputo way so salinzile nyalo la iborder kugcwele ngisaba nokusho ngaze kwende nini labafuna ukutravela ntshintshe imiqondo but rest assured sama nebantu labati khokho kule game so sitawufika and hopefully khona nami ngithola ithuba lokuxoxisana nalabanye lesinabo lapha emotweni ukuthi basho phela ukuthi balinzeleni nabo basho ngiyawakabo milomo ukuthi bayikhetheleni izizwe salokhu sikhulume.
Crossing at the Lebombo border becomes crazier towards the festive season as everybody is going home. Kuningi nje lokwendekayo lana kulendzawo netimoto edvamisa kubaphukela labanye. You know, you get a better experience exploring other countries either before or after a festive season, and Mozambique is one of those countries. Hold up, did somebody say Matikash? Ukhumbule phela, to exchange your dibas for moras as early as possible, as I imagine it gets harder to do that when you go deeper into the country. Ukhumbule nekuthenga iSIM card yakhona usaselapho eborder. Thina sithengiselwe iVodacom. Ngingadi uma kunalamanye ema-cellular network esingawadi. You will thank me later. Sekuphelile ukukhulumela ke manje. Sesikhathi sa Hola Mozambique, tutu bang.
Izizwe Rainbow Tours number 1 imbatho to my clients kwesibili ma rates ethu are very reasonable sendela loyo naloyo lo budget le low either way but cishe ma rates ethu amanani laphasi kakhulu laza accommodate wonke umuntu.
Hello Mozambique, I'm here again. It's nice seeing you again, and I'm still gonna visit more because there's still more places that I still want to experience.
Hello Vakagaza, pale Msambikani. Inkomo.
Hello Mozambique, hello Maputo.
Pondia tutu bang komistash.
Hello Mozambique. Hello. Hello.
Sise Mozambique wena ukuphi ngoba uyashiwa la. Kubukeka ngasibose sabayisabi nalenzabe ukutravela amadoda sengikhuluma nani yalo ma-out asesilungiseni sha ngoba si-outnumbered la iboys choir incane kakhulu kushoda nini.